popping in to give a huge thank you to today's sponsor, which is BetterHelp. Thank you guys so much for partnering with me on this video. If you guys have been following me for the last year, you know that I started therapy and I've just been on a journey to take better care of my mental health. And I've been really open about it with you guys here on my channel. I'm so excited to be partnering with BetterHelp today and talking to you guys about the importance of taking care of your mental health and therapy. If you guys know me in real life or online, you know I talk about therapy quite often because I think it is so important and honestly one of the best things that you can do for yourself and your mental health. Starting therapy has been the best thing that I have done for myself, honestly, my entire existence. BetterHelp is affordable online counseling. BetterHelp will assess your needs and match you with your own licensed professional therapist. You can start communicating with your therapist within 48 hours. BetterHelp is not a crisis line, it's not self-help, it is online professional counseling. BetterHelp has a broad range of expertise because they have over 15,000 counselors in their network, which otherwise might not be available to you locally. This service is available for clients worldwide, so if you are anywhere in the world watching this video and you're interested in starting therapy and focusing on bettering your mental health, you can use BetterHelp. You're able to log into your account anytime and message your counselor. You'll get timely and thoughtful responses, plus you can schedule weekly video and phone calls with your therapist. Being able to do therapy from the comfort of your own home, I think, is really great for so many people, especially if you are just starting out and trying therapy for the first time. It can be scary and uncomfortable to be vulnerable like that, and I think being able to do it in your home, somewhere where you feel safe, might be a great way to get you comfortable and excited for your first therapy session. BetterHelp is committed to making great therapeutic matches, so if you want to switch your counselor, you don't feel like they're the right fit for you, it's super easy and it's free of charge. BetterHelp can be more affordable than traditional therapy, and they also offer financial aid. I love that they're trying to make therapy more accessible for more people. If this message spoke to you, or maybe you were looking for a sign to start therapy, maybe you've been thinking about it and you just needed that extra push, let this be it. Putting my mental health first has been life-changing for me, and I know it will be the same for you. So if you're interested in checking out BetterHelp, you can go to betterhelp.com/brag. That is better, HELP.com/brag. And you can join over 1 million people who are taking charge of their mental health with the help of experienced professionals. I have a special offer for you guys, so if you are interested in this, you can go to betterhelp.com/brag and get 10% off your first month. Thank you so much again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. I was very excited to talk about this today and share this with you guys, and I hope that maybe this spoke to you and was a sign to put your mental health first and focus on yourself. I think that's all I have to say on this. If you guys have any questions or you want to talk, you can always leave comments down below. I read them all, and you can also message me on Instagram if you want to chat. Our green goddess dressing is done. This is literally so simple and so delicious, and you can throw it together so easily. And don't skip out on the anchovies, I swear. Even if you don't like them, it makes all the difference. So I put it in this bowl. Half is gonna go to marinate the chicken, and the other half is gonna be reserved for serving tomorrow.
god.
Look at that. I've got shoe shelves. Now all my shoes are off the ground and it's just much more tidy. Yay!
Felt. Both are made from water bottles.
Ooh.
And they're fully sustainable. 1,000 Fouls closed loop, so when you're done with your sneakers, they will recycle them and turn them into new sneakers, which is really fun.
Wow.
And then these are trainers, which are super cute and lightweight. And like,
Ooh.
so
Amazing.
you should pick out some colors.
This is literally such a beautiful sight, you guys. We finally have a dining table. How gorgeous is this? We found it on Facebook Marketplace. We got such a good price on it, including the chairs, which is just insane. Dining tables can be so expensive and so are dining chairs. We picked it up last night and it is just gorgeous. I cannot wait to host many dinner parties at this beautiful table. We put the bar cart over there, put a little plant in this corner, and it's looking just beautiful. I'm so happy. I love being an adult because I had blueberry pancakes for breakfast yesterday and I woke up and I was like, I want blueberry pancakes again. So that's what we're making for breakfast. I do think I might go and get a coffee or a matcha because I tried to make a matcha yesterday and it tasted like shit and I just don't think I can do it and I don't have any coffee in the house. I got the matcha and it's way better than the one I made yesterday. I never showed you guys my new nails. How cool are they? And then this hand looks like this. So fun. just finished getting ready for the Air Milkshake and Fast AF dinner that I'm about to go to at Sunset Tower, and I figured I would show you guys my outfit. I'm wearing the Set Active sporty suit, which I think is so cute to dress up. I love a little one piece. And then I'm wearing my favorite oversized blazer from Frankie Shop. I'm not sure where these hoops are from, but this necklace is from Majuri, I believe. I'll link all my jewelry down below. And then I'm just wearing a nude strappy heel. These are from Lulu's. The perfect height, they're not kitten heels, but they're not like gnarly high heels. It really like elongates my legs. Cute. I deep cleaned my room and my bathroom, and I'm in the process of cleaning the kitchen. So I just thought that I would show you how beautiful and tidy my room is. I moved the console over here. I don't know, it's probably temporary, but I even gave my sweet fiddle a bath. I cleaned up her stems and just got all the like dead little debris off and wiped the leaves down. She's looking gorgeous. Cleaned my mirror, obviously. Just everything is like, yes. And I still have my 3 paint options on the wall. I don't know if I'm gonna even paint it. Bathroom is spick and span. Kitchen is pretty flawless. I gotta take out the trash. Oh, look at our dining table. Are you kidding me? Next I have to tackle the living room. It's pretty clean. I'm just gonna like clean the floors and dust and stuff, but oh, I love my little home.